Okay, this is our code, and we want to this code push on the GitHub to access anywhere and keep our work history. For that, we'll just we'll create an account on GitHub, and after that, this is my repository. If we switch to this my profile, this is my GitHub, and this is my GitHub profile, and here has a lot of repository that I have just already pushed on GitHub. Now in your profile you must log in and sign up. After that this dashboard will be open up to you, and after that you need to create a repository. Click here, go to create where is to I'm gonna create new repository. So you can import repository, you can do anything. So create new repository, give repository name. So you can give it to any name. So express API, express API, REST API, express API, and just create. And you can make your repository as a public or private. So private repository only you will be access, and you can give access who can see and commit to the repository. Okay, or you can add readme file. So we don't need to anything, just to give repository name, click create. And here step by step how you can use it. So first of all, we need to use this command. This is our project, and in our project, so before run this command, you must install or download Git on your machine. So I have already do this, and you can download it by Git init. We need to initialize our project. Okay, and you can see our file mark is the sense that Git ignore, it is just untracked. Okay, you can add just some file name or folder name what you need to ignore to push on GitHub, and which is your unnecessary file that you don't want to just push on GitHub. So you can write this file name manually in here. Okay, then secondly, we can add this, but we don't need. We can add this readme.md file. We don't need. First of all, and second, it's git add dot. Okay, git add dot, and it will be just on the git that just ready to push on your repository. Git add dot. Okay. Git commit m I is committed it. Now git add dot, everything is added. Now you need to switch your master. Now we are now in the master branch, but you can create a new branch and you can push your code, but we are using this master branch. Okay, now we'll just copy everything in here. Just git branch master. Here we can copy everything from here. So at first you need to use this command. Then you need to set this your GitHub origin, like git origin add your GitHub actual origin or URL, which repository you have created, and just git push this origin. We are pushing this code on this origin master. Okay, push. After that, it will be just reflected. Oh, our code is just push on the GitHub, and now you can share your code in anywhere that you want, and you can access it to any time. And now your code is just on the online. You can access it to anytime, share it to anyone. And if we make any changes, okay, so first of all, we'll go index.ts file. So this is our simple Express app, and here it is a server up and running. So if we make any sense here, up running and pushed on GitHub. So after making any changes in your local file, it will be not automatically updated on here. It is not updated, so you need to update it manually. So just git add it. First you need to commit what you have added, so you can switch any commit, like any previous commit, or you can roll back. So your commit name should readable what you have added, removed, or changed. Just updated index.ts file. Copy. So here it is a single clone. This is just a comment. This is just comment what you are doing. It is not required. You can give it just anything. So git commit name and your just commit message and git commit name. First we need to use git add dot git commit name updated index.ts file. Git commit name. Okay. First, when you make any changes, you can add like a specific file, like git add your specific file that you have made updated, but git add dot, that means it will be add anything, everything from anywhere you have made changes. Okay. Dot, everything is up to date, and git push. Or you can use a specific branch we are using for now. It is this master branch. So you can just use git push. We are pushing code in the same branch. It is updated. Wow, it is updated. So this is the basic of Git, how you can just create repository and push your local file to your remote GitHub. But make sure that you have installed Git. You can easily install or download it from Git download, like Windows, Linux, or anything else, like Windows 11. Okay, here you will find the step-by-step documentation, or you can install, download Git without any hassle on Linux or Mac OS.